Okay, so let's look at how we might complete this assignment. So after you've watched the video lecture and read through the material, we can open we will type bard.google.com, go to this tab, and now we see down here at the bottom is where we enter our prompt, and we're going to say to Bard, for example, what are the 5 longest bridges in the world? Enter, thinks about it, and it's coming back with bridges that are 164 kilometers long. Very long bridges, but these are viaduct bridges. What I really want is suspension bridges. So I'm going to say, what are the 5 longest suspension bridges in the world? Let's try updating that and see what it gives me. And here we go. We have a nice list. There's a lot of description about it. Interesting, but right now I just need to cut and paste I just need to cut and paste a bullet list. So I'd say, give me a bullet list. It's going to think about it, and one thing that AI can do it can follow the conversation. So I don't have to tell it, give me a bullet list of 5 longest bridges. It remembered what I did, and it gave me a bullet list. So now we're in good shape. So what we're going to do now is we're going to share it. Click our little share button, and we can click export to docs, because that was the assignment. You say open docs. So here's the doc. We're going to share it because I need to have the URL. So you can share it, and you can say anyone with the link can, let's say, edit it. Okay. Now this says that I'm the owner, so I obviously have access to it. When you do it, it will show your name there. And so anyone with link can edit it. Now all we have to do is say copy link. We can go over here and go to our upload file. We're going to upload a website URL, and then I can just paste that in, and then you'll be able to submit the assignment once you've completed all the prompts and also indicate which chatbot you use for each assignment. The other thing is, this is doing it in Google Bard. In Bing or Chat OpenAI, the process to upload it would be a little different because it's not directly in Google. So you would have to cut and paste it into your Google Doc, and then you could share the link of the completed doc. So that's the assignment. Take a look at it and let me know if you have any questions. This is a new assignment, and this is new material. Chatbots have only really been out for a short time now, so we're all learning how to use them. So if you have any questions, be sure to ask and have fun.